Welcome, my name is Mejer. I'm an immigration attorney with offices in Long Branch and Lakewood, New Jersey. You can find me on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, and LinkedIn, as well as on my website, Andres Mejer Law. This is tip number 3 of 5 of how to ensure a successful deferred action application. And this tip is, if you need it, consider financial assistance. Now, USCIS has told us that they will not waive the filing fee of $465 except under very specific and exceptional circumstances. Now, there are organizations around the country that do provide some funding. So before you make the request for a waiver, I would suggest you contact a local organization or religious organization and see if they can help you. If you're going to file for a fee exemption, you have to make that request in writing. You have to prove an entitlement to it before you can apply for deferred action. Do not send the application for deferred action together with the fee exemption because it will be denied. Now, in order to receive a fee exemption, you must demonstrate one of 3 things. Number 1, you are 18 years of age, homeless, in foster care, or 18 years of age and have no parent or family support. And under both circumstances, your income has to be less than 150% of the U.S. poverty guidelines. Secondly, you can't take care of yourself because you suffer from a chronic and severe disability, and your income has to be 150% of the U.S. poverty guidelines. Or number 3, in the past 12 months before you applied for the fee exemption, you had to have accumulated $25,000 or more in unreimbursed medical expenses for you or an immediate relative, and your income has to be 150% of the U.S. poverty guidelines. As you can see, neither of these 3 options are easy to prove or easy to achieve. That concludes tip number 3. Stay tuned for tip number 4. If you have an immigration matter, before you hire an attorney, go to my website and request a free copy of my book, The American Dream Shattered: The Dangers of Immigration Fraud. In it, I will show you ways to avoid to become a victim yourself. While you're on my site, take a look at some of the frequently asked questions I get or some of the articles that I wrote.